Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to sign up for Claude AI without using a phone number. First, open your browser and go to the Claude AI website. On the home page, look for the sign in or get started button. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and an email account that you can access right away. If you want the fastest option, click continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to use and follow the on-screen prompts. You may see a quick consent screen asking for basic profile access, so click confirm to continue. If your preferred account does not appear, click add another account and sign in manually with your email and password. After that, you should be signed in automatically without needing a phone number. If you do not want to use Google, select the email option instead. Enter an email address you control and submit it. Most platforms will send a verification link to your inbox. Open your email and click the verify or continue button in the message. If you do not see the email right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Once verified, you will be taken back to the website and signed in without needing to provide a mobile number. If the site asks you to set up basic profile details or accept terms, complete those steps to finish the process. For better security, use a strong password and save it in a password manager. That is how you sign up for Claude AI without a phone number. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.